I am making Israel sit down for a talk. I am curious about what kind of company Zipline actually is, what their visions are, and what kind of skills I would need if I wanted to work for them.
Zipline is a logistics company first and foremost, and we use drones to make life-saving medical products delivery. I think we are a purpose-oriented corporate business. Our purpose is to better the lives of the peoples and the communities using, business solutions that work for the best. We've been working here since October 2016. We've done more than 7,000 flights. We've delivered more than 13,000 units, and 30% of all deliveries that we do are emergencies. And so far, it has been quite a smooth ride. We haven't faced any major challenges at this point. We currently cover the whole western half of the country, and we started, with one hospital, but now we serve pretty much 18 hospitals in the whole western half of the country. We are expanding to the eastern half of the country very soon so that we could be able to build another distribution center like this one and serve the eastern half of that side as well. This is a partnership with the Rwandan government, and so the Rwandan government really wanted a solution that could work to advance pretty much two things. First of all, put every Rwandan within 45 minutes of access to any medical products that they want, but secondly, be a hub of innovation and technology in Africa. We are helping Rwandan access medical products on demand by removing the hassle of driving, of filing paperwork, of a lot of things. That's one aspect, right? Access immediately. The second thing is we are reducing stockouts. So when the products are not available at the hospital, that means some patient cannot be treated. So with Zipline, that's removed because they can receive products on demand. And we also removing expiries. So the hospital doesn't need to overstock themselves to have many products just in case. Usually it ends up having a lot of products and then they expire at the hospital, and those products are wasted and it's money lost. I think that's pretty much in a nutshell how we are doing.
So if I wanted to work here, or some Danish student wanted to work here, what qualifications would we need?
So I think it depends on what they wanted to do. So in fulfillment operators, we really look at skills in healthcare and knowledge about supply chain and medical products and the capacity to communicate with our customers and our stakeholders, the people at the hospitals that we serve. And then in flight operators, we look at technical skills that people should have, but there is no specific skills as what people need to do. All they have in common is the desire and the need to explore new ways of using technology in solving, a lot of issues. And so it just takes that, the basic technical skills, but also an open mind to be able to learn as much as possible in a short possible time. Because this is an innovation, this is completely new, so you really don't know what the right skill set for this, but you need someone who is able to quickly adapt to the operations of this kind of technology.
And so how is Zipline's vision?
Oh, Zipline is to fly everywhere, fly here, fly there, fly everywhere. That's what we want to be able to do. We really envision a place where everyone who needs, medical products can get them on delivery at the right time in the shortest possible time.